Hi everyone, it's Andrew from easypyro here. I'm just going to make a quick video today to show you how you can really efficiently use our shooting wire pyro splice connectors and ematches to fire lots of fireworks that are laid out in a line, or just generally this is a really efficient way on how to use the shooting wire to wire up effects. It saves you having to run your ematch wires all the way back to your firing system. So it's pretty easy really. When you take your shooting wire off the roll, you're going to have one end which you'll bare obviously, and then you'll connect that to your firing system. There'll just be some red and black terminals. And then you can just pay out the shooting wire to the point where you've got your first firework, which should be here. And the first thing you do is just take a pair of pliers or a small knife, and you just cut one conductor of the shooting wire. Now you have to be careful that you don't cut both the conductors, but if you do, you can just use a pyro splice connector and connect them together. So once you've cut one conductor, you simply strip it apart like that, so you've broken one leg of it, and then you can take your pyro splice and you're going to basically just insert one of the wires in along with one of the legs of the ematch into the other section of it, like so, and then use a special pyro splice crimp pliers which have their parallel jaws. What you want to do basically is just positively lock that down and give it a little tug to make sure it's secure, and then you just repeat that operation on the other leg. So push the wire up to the back of the connector, just like so. So it's right in the gel pack in there, which will make it waterproof. And then again, use the special pliers, crimp it down. So what we've now got here is we've broken one leg of the wire and we spliced an ematch into it like so. But we need to at least add some more ematches or complete the circuit for the electricity to flow around. So then simply work your way along the cable to the next firework. So you'd lay out your cable on the ground to the next firework, and then you could just simply splice another ematch in and another one as you go along from firework to firework. So the important thing is that when you get to the very end of the cable, you don't need to cut it here, you just need to obviously complete the circuit. So generally this would be the last point that you're going to be connecting an ematch. So it just happens in exactly the same way really, is you put the splice connector onto the end, put your ematch wire in, again make sure it's pushed up to the back of the connector. I'm just going to put it into the pliers jaws, squeeze down, you'll get a nice positive click action, that's nice and secure. And again we'll just repeat that. In the wire goes, in the wire goes, like so. And just crimp it down, like so. And that's nice and secure. So what we've got here is we've very easily added two ematches now that are wired in series to a length of wire. And obviously this end here is the end that gets connected to your firing system. So the electricity can now flow around the circuit through the ematches and come all the way back. And this will test for good continuity when you do your continuity test on the firing system. So in this way, it makes it very logical and very easy to just lay out some wire and connect ematches to it without having to worry about running the ematches individually back to your firing system.